July ni som thum pakhat sang ni som ni paruk ani hi Saudi Arabia te chuanin Houthis te hi an ningang ani hetinga boina an lo siam hi mo chu wang zonin changrol pawl pakhat hen din mi mai ne turu rem rem khop mai chon thi pakhat kan soidu chu he pathian kai hroina azara July ni som thum pakhat tun tha anin thung ber an mangzo le ta der mai chu ni ro pui khop mai ni ti hianin kumin kum sang ni som ni paruka thlasari an mangzo le ta Christmas nãy lại tao khóc mấy niệm ô Christmas cảm thấy lẽ đẹp đó nuông sầu lệ đó này để thì khai rồi có gì là anh lũ urlok tan đó ni Christmas August anh em August là hi anh ra lệ cho nên bát là han chuông cái lệ đó khai ni đeo mấy niệm ô hun hi akal chắc khóc mấy ni riêng cái là
Saudi Arabia set up a maritime defense alliance to secure navigation around the strategic Bab el-Mandeb Strait. This comes amidst reports that Riyadh is also now preparing for a major military offensive against the Houthis to break
major military offensive. Let's go.
The chokehold on its oil exports through the southern Red Sea.
Holle. Saudi Arabia here in che sak hel tat mai. Saudi Arabia here in Houthis te lakah beihpui ta satak. Rap thak tak thak atuman itu na hian. Chutiang ani mek lai chuan Bab el-Mandeb Strait Houthis te na Iran house style. Iran in a Strait of Hormuz and block anga Houthis ten heta Bab el-Mandeb Strait an lo block vering ota wanga Saudi Arabia ina oil athon chuate le sumdon na shim a hanti boy te kha thalawati awangin tuna hianin changrol pol he pola hianin ramsom pali en tel donin ka hria Saudi Arabia tiamin mo a lo din le mak maya chu omse chu Houthis te hina satakina beidon Houthis te hianin an chang let mai thei tin Strait of Hormuz unblock ang khan Bab el-Mandeb Strait te po unblock zui mai thei khatianga thil om thei ani awang khan Saudi Arabia te chuanin kan beyang kan kaltang puyang amaro chu Bab el-Mandeb Strait hi unblock lo nan hetiang hianin changrol pol som pali kan siamanga heng changrol pol te hianin Bab el-Mandeb Strait a hian sumdona pa ngai takin akal zel theina turatan tha kan tho ho don ani entiani heng changrol pol te hianin Houthis te hi an beilawang ti soi thelo entinan Houthis te hian in Bab el-Mandeb Strait khalo block lui tangat se hang changrol pol Saudi Arabia ina kai soi changrol pol te khanin a huawin an beilawang te hi soi thei mi alawani achan chu he tuipui sen an luna Bab el-Mandeb Strait hi apoi mo khop mai heta Suez Canal te po ofeka heta Asia atanga Europe heta Africa hel ngai lo khan ol sam deu an kaltang theina sum don na kong poi mo lutukani chu tuna hianin Houthis te hianin an dang bet an dang luyen i chuanin Saudi Arabia le apol te hian mo ron che pui viu the ne
The Yemen's Iran-backed Houthis have imposed a maritime embargo on Saudi Arabia, the world's top oil exporter, and have claimed attacks targeting Saudi oil tankers in the Red Sea and oil infrastructure in the kingdom.
Houthis nampang hian in Saudi Arabia a oil infrastructure te po yan be ni soi tong khanin Houthis te chau hian ni lawa he Houthis te chuanin Saudi Arabia chim lampang khan be ta mo chuanin Iraq rama tangin Saudi Hmar lama an oil facilities poimo tak an lo be le bokani oil hi Saudi Arabia tan chuanin a poimo lutuk an maniram hausak na narania hetiang an hausak na nar ti boya om hi an du don lo shrim
Saudi Defense Ministry said that representatives from 43 countries and the European Union attended an international meeting that discussed the proposed naval coalition, with Saudi Arabia serving as its founding and leading state and hosting its headquarters. The Saudi Defense Ministry later issued a joint statement on behalf of the 14 countries in the alliance, including Turkey, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Egypt, Sudan, and Nigeria. And amongst the 6 Gulf Arab states, Oman and the United Arab Emirates were not listed amongst the countries backing the statement.
Oman le United Arab Emirates te hian in Saudi Arabia hi an supported hu omlawani. Amaro chu Saudi Arabia lampang hian in Oman le United Arab Emirates te hian in min support ani ti Mizo song sheta anti lan dulo na chante pom ve thei ni achan chu Iran hian in United Arab Emirates mo Qatar Doha chuanin Oman Iran lampang hian in an ka vereng ani chu wang chuanin kan support cheunga amaro chu min lo soilang tel lo mai ro ngoi ring ka lo support ang chu te ponti thei khatiang politics support ha om thei tho ni heta hian mo achan chu Iran hian an ka vereng an Bahrain Jordan United Arab Emirates Oman kan ti ang chi te ho hi an tan po hi na ne om ve wi wang Iran te po hi mo
Meanwhile, a report citing sources inside of Yemen said that Saudi Arabia seems to be preparing for a major military offensive against the Houthis by sea.
By sea mo, yo. Airstrike vela ni don mo ka ti amaro chu Indo long atang hianin Saudi Arabia te hianin Houthis te hi an beidon ni na lang Saudi Arabia te an ma ni chawa an tran ka ring lawa United States lampang te po hianin an tran pui ka ring ani United States sipai da Cencom kan ti ten po khan mo heti hianin tang rolin thokhowin Iran hel khoi Houthis te laga hianin beipui hi an thlak rep a bon viewang heti la hi chu tin Saudi Arabia te po hianin heti anga major offense kan ti ang chi hi mo metia va bom satli ni lo na satak rap thak ta ka tenga va be hi hi anti om tak anti donin ka sia Saudi Arabia te hian Houthis te po hian hal anin nge an por do an por
and possibly by land. Saudi forces have been seen withdrawing from the east of Yemen in what could be a preparation for a land offensive.
Oh, whoa.
And according to the report, the troop movement
sipai te po antir lut mai the ni Saudi Arabia hian Yemen a hian mo
inside of Yemen involves concentrating forces for what could be an attack on Al-Bada, a governorate in central southern Yemen captured by the Houthis.
Houthis te na ram an lak hi Saudi Arabia te po hian in an target mai the ni a chan chu sipai te hi mun pakhat atangin an la chuaka mun khata te hanin an da khom le dewa hi Saudi Arabia hian in thil pui tak tu na hianin aron tum nin alang ane
Saudi Arabia carried out joint airstrikes with the United States on the Iraqi sides on Wednesday that it said were linked to the attacks on its oil infrastructure.
Ne US le Saudi Arabia te tang du na ni mania po khanin he video po khan soi to Iran hil khoi te kha Saudi Arabia le US te hian na han bom kek mai ni khata khan ni som ni chuang an thi ni khami Saudi Arabia lo beivering tu de kami som ni chuang an thi.
According to assessments by Saudi Arabia and regional partners, this week's attacks were launched by Houthis from the Iraqi territory in coordination with the Iraqi armed groups.
Apoy mo chin chu kan react zo le de mai Saudi Arabia hian entika nge he thil he an tiang Houthis te hi entika nge an beang ti hi chu shria dal ni lawa maro chu he tiang anin buat sai chho chu anin an be har vak to in karing lawa chan chu Houthis te lampang hian in Bab el Mandeb Strait hi an block verenga he tiang an block a hi Saudi Arabia lampang chu anin hontir vat an du don ni na langa Middle East lampang he kan rin a hian he a boy rei ta riau maya kumin kumtir ni kum jun tha te mo so in kumin kumtir ren boy chho le a an la boy don chau ni na lang hei Saudi Arabia den tela mania la Egypt tiang hanin US long te kha be ani boka khang te hei ram sang kha tiang hanin nu lu ang kha an ni de win ka sia ma boy thak khop mai ha te han ni le phot te se video la ka ni mulai theu do ne